Hi everyone. I know it's been a very, very long time. It was a long winter, but hi, welcome to A Chef Called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to teach you how to perfect the baking potato. My grandmother always said, crispy skin on the outside and light and fluffy texture on the inside is a baking potato perfecto. Let's grab our trusty wooden spoons. Let's all meet back in the kitchen while I show you how to perfect the baking potato. 3 key components to perfecting the baking potato. 1. Oven must be preheated to a hot 400 degrees. Number 2, you must pierce the potato 1 time through the center. And number 3, of course, you will rub the potato with some good quality olive oil and then sprinkle with salt. Place the baking potato on a parchment-lined baking sheet and pop it into that preheated 400 degree oven 40 to 45 minutes, and out comes a perfect baking potato like Grandma knew it to be. Crispy skin, light and fluffy on the inside. If you haven't already subscribed to A Chef Called Rhonda, please would you consider subscribing to A Chef Called Rhonda? It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. And don't forget, summer 2023, stay with me as I take you back to the island of Ischia. Until we meet again, I bid you arrivederci, ciao, cindan, salute, buon appetito.